Hi guys, and welcome to Broadhaven.Tech. I'm joined as always today by Tim, and we're here to discuss the ongoing trend of exchanges delisting coins. So recently Binance delisted a whole new batch of coins from the exchange. These included Substratum, Salt, Cloakcoin, Modem and Wings. And this continues a trend that's been going on since October and throughout the crypto winter of exchanges starting to delist their coins. So Tim, this is great, isn't it? They're cleaning up the industry. They're doing a good service to everyone. All good news, right?
I'm on two minds on this. I think obviously we saw so many scams and kind of weak projects, if not outright scams, in the last couple of years. It's good to see that these things are being removed from the main exchanges. So that's nice to be cleaning up. But on the other hand, right, the whole point is kind of censorship resistance, open access. And here we're starting to see people, delisting. So Substratum, for example, is as far as I'm aware, that project is a legitimate project and they've delisted it. So this goes back to that censorship topic. And so I think it's a mixed message. In my opinion.
It puts the decentralized exchanges back in the sort of conversation, doesn't it? It says, well,
yes, it does.
These exchanges maybe been a bit sort of clunky, not that user friendly, but at least they won't delist your coin, or potentially it'll be harder for them to delist your coin.
Absolutely,
because it's not possible. Whereas Binance, who rumored to charge $100,000 to get listed in the first place, can then just turn around and delist you when you don't meet their sort of semi-opaque terms and conditions for why they might delist you at any time of the month, which is a bit tricky if you're a company listed on Binance, where you might be extremely reliant on the boost to your coin's value, keeping you afloat. So it's pretty precarious now for a lot of people on these exchanges.
But it's also frustrating because some of these exchanges, specifically Binance, made their fortunes by listing every token they could possibly get their hands on, and then to turn around 12 months later, go, oh no, it's no longer legit, so we're going to start kicking people off. Like that's quite frustrating.
Yeah,
I think also their actions then directly influence the value of that coin as well. So if they're just going to arbitrarily, without kind of being transparent in terms of why they're choosing to list or not list, or adding some sort of arbitration, maybe delisting process, it seems a bit unfair. They're kind of making unanimous or unilateral decisions that actually have quite big consequences.
And just another opportunity for insider trading and sort of murkiness to go on with people getting ahead of the curve on delistings and all that sort of stuff. So it's the same banking system we have right now, right? Which is exactly why we need things like decentralized exchanges to be faster, more or easier to use as well. But I mean, the nice thing about the crypto space is these coins still have the ability to go to a decentralized exchange and list there. So that obviously Binance's decision doesn't influence their ability to still list on one of those exchanges, but certainly in practical terms, it's going to have some pretty huge impact on these projects and the valuation of these tokens. Yeah, well, let's see how many more get delisted in the next few months. Hopefully there's they clean up this process and be a bit more transparent about it.
Yeah, and it's frustrating as well. I mean, we see, Coinbase is now listing XRP, right? So it kind of seems a bit all over the place. I would like a little bit more transparency in why people are making these decisions, because it very much goes against the ethos of the cypherpunks in the first place.
Right. Well, thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed the post, please hit like, and we'll be back soon with another video. So hit subscribe, and we'll see you on the next update.